warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nasywa Qothrunnada. I'm from Mathematics Education of Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University. In this video, I will explain about function, domain and range, slope, and linear function. Let's show it.
Firstly, I will explain about function. What is a function? A function relates an input to an output. Look at the picture. F open parenthesis x close parenthesis equals x squared. F is function name, x is input, and x squared is what to output. We say f of x equals x squared. What goes into the function is put inside parentheses after the name of the function. So f of x shows us the function is called f and x goes in. And we usually see what a function does with the input. F of x equals x squared shows us the function f takes x and squares it. And an example of the function. The first is f of x equals x squared. If x equals 4, an input of 4 becomes an output of 16. In fact, we can write f of 4 equals 16 because f of x equals x squared. F of 4 equals 4 squared equals 16. And the second is f of x equals x squared plus 7 if x equals 5. And then f of x equals x squared plus 7. F of 5 equals 5 squared plus 7 equals 25 plus 7 equals 32. A function is a special, but a function has special rules. First, it must be work for every possibly input value, and it has only one relationship for each input value. Look at in the picture. Formal definition of a function. A function relates each element of a set with exactly one element of another set, or possibly the same set. One to many is not allowed, but many to one is allowed. Let's look at in the picture. One to many. This is not okay in a function, but many to one. But many to one is in a function. And the second, I will explain about domain and range. Domain and range. Look at in the picture. There are special names for what can go into and what can come out of a function. First, what can go into a function is called the domain. And what actually comes out of a function is called the range. Examples of domain and range. Number 1. Look at in the picture. And then the set A is the domain, the set B is the codomain. And the set of elements that get pointed to in B, the actually values produced by the function are the range. And then we have domain equals open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 close bracket. Codomain equals open bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the range equals open bracket 3, 5, 7, and 9 close bracket. And I will explain about slope. What is the slope? Divide the change in height by the change in horizontal distance, all also called the gradient. Look at in the picture. And then the formula of slopes equals change in y divided by change in x. For example, look at in the picture. The first, the slope of this line equals 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Why? Because x is 3 and y is 3. So the slope is to 1. And second, look at in the picture. The slope of this line equals 3 divided by 5 equals 0.6. The line is less steep, and so the slope is smaller. Why? The slope is 0.9? Because 5 is x and 3 is y. Next, fourth, I will explain about linear function. What is linear function? A linear function is an equation for a straight line. These are linear function. First, y equals 2x plus 1. Second, 5x equals 6 plus 3y. And the third, y divided by 2 equals 3 minus x. The variables are like x or y in linear function do not have first x is exponents like the 2 in x squared, and the second is square root, cube root, and etc. Sometimes a linear equation is written as a function with f of x instead of y. For example, y equals 2x minus 3. F of x equals 2x minus 3. These are the same. And functions are not always written using f of x. For example, y equals 2x minus 3. Y of u equals 2u minus 3. H of z equals 2z minus 3. These are also the same.
Okay, that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.